Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to COOKMAS episode 4. So y'all, today I am going to show you how I like to make these spicy peanut and cashew noodles. So y'all, if it looks good, let's go. So this is a quick shot of all of the ingredients. We're going to go through them step by step. And yeah, so first I'm just going to start on my noodles. So I have some bucatini pasta. As you probably can tell if you watch some of my other recent videos, I'm kind of into bucatini right now. So yeah, I'm going in with that pasta. Just cooking it per the packaging instructions. And after that, I also want to save a little bit of the pasta water as well before I drain up all the noodles and stuff out. And the pasta water is definitely going to thin out that peanut butter kind of sauce that we're going to use or that we're going to create. And you'll see in a second why I am doing that. So after I have about a cup or so of that pasta water, I'm just going to put all that to the side. And now it's going to be time to start on that peanut butter rich sauce. All right, so let's go. So I have a couple tablespoons of peanut butter that I'm going to go in with. Ultimately, I probably use like around a cup, I want to say, a cup of peanut butter. And after that, going in with all the ingredients you see right here. Some garlic, soy, light and dark, vinegar, some chili flakes to make it nice and spicy, some honey, chili oil, and then just some chopped cashews as well as a sliced up spring onion. And y'all just go in with all of those different ingredients right there, mix it all up together. And if you remember, I mentioned about that pasta sauce like a couple of seconds ago, and the pasta sauce is definitely going to be our friend in this dish right here, because you see right now that peanut butter and stuff is all separated and it's not looking too appetizing. But as soon as you add that pasta water in there, it's going to loosen everything all up. That peanut butter is going to really just be able to breathe a little bit, and it's going to mix everything all up together to make sure it's nice and combined. And yeah, this is exactly what you want to do. And it's really kind of like an eyeballing kind of thing, right? You would just want to add enough water in there until it looks good to you, okay? So if you want to save a cup and a half or 2 cups of that pasta water, you can definitely do so. It's kind of up to you at that part. Now I'm going to go in with some chili oil. I just picked this up. It's actually like some crunchy chili oil, I believe. It has like fried garlic in it, like crunchy fried garlic. I think it has, I want to say almonds. I think it's almonds in there. But anyway, I picked this up. You can make your chili oil yourself. I've made chili oil in the past before, but I moved recently, so I don't have a lot of the stuff that I used to have in my other kitchen. So anyway, back to this right here, y'all. I'm going in with some spring onions, going in with some cashews. That's optional. I just really like cashews, just period. So I can't even talk. Let me start over. I might have used cashew butter if I could find it, but I think that might have been doing a little bit too much though. Anyway, y'all, I'm going to go in with a little bit of honey just for a little bit of extra sweetness. You can leave that part out. That's optional. You don't necessarily have to have the honey in there, but I like it just to really amp up the sweetness a little bit more. And because that peanut butter isn't really too sweet, y'all. But this is pretty much the final product right there, y'all. And now I like to just kind of like mix the noodles and the sauce separately in a separate bowl before I like serve it and stuff like that, as opposed to just leaving them separate and you just, you know, kind of like pouring the sauce on your own individual plate. I like to just have it all nice and mixed up. So as you see, I'm just going to go in with the sauce, some more spring onion, some more of those chopped up cashews, just to really make it nice and crunchy. And you probably noticed it, but I use the crunchy peanut butter, or the peanut butter that has like the actual peanuts in it. But that's optional. You don't have to use that. You can just use like the regular creamy peanut butter if that's what you prefer. But yeah, so this is pretty much everything, y'all. I know I've been doing a whole lot of talking on this video. I know I have. But y'all, this is pretty much the final product. Just giving y'all a couple little shots of what it's looking like. But y'all already know it is time for me to dig into this stuff because I was so hungry, y'all. And y'all, this spicy peanut and cashew noodles actually reminds me of these noodles I used to get from this place called Noodles and Company. I don't know if they're still in business, but I used to go there all the time in college, and I used to get like this kind of like spicy Thai peanut kind of pasta dish, and this really reminds me of it, and it really just took me back there, back to college and the good old days. Anyway, y'all, that is all I have for y'all today. Hopefully you're enjoying this COOKMAS series. Let me know down below in the comments what you think of everything, and y'all, I'm gonna see you in the next video. Later.